Hello, Nick's here with another 2-minute tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the background, especially in an easy image like this that has a white background, or I've got another one here with a black background. The simplest way to remove a background, right? You can select the object, yes. If the background is white or a solid color, take that magic eraser, right? Here we are, magic eraser, click, click, click. There we go. Object is ready to go. I take my move tool and I can move it into another document. If I wanted to save this as a PNG with a transparent background, I would then go to File, Save a Copy. I'm going to change my file format to a PNG here. PNG, there we go. And I can give it a new name. And OK. And now that's a PNG that I can use in another document. I didn't have to save it as a PNG, but I can now move it into another document right there in Photoshop. Okay. How about, how do I get rid of the background on the moon? Okay, again, use that magic eraser. The background is black. Boop, there we go. That looks pretty good. I can move it now into another document, or I'm going to save it as a PNG. Let's go save a copy. I'm going to turn it into a PNG here. It's the simplest way to do it. I'll call it Moon 3 because I've done this several times. Onto my desktop and save. And there we go. I've got a moon there as well. All right, last one. How do I take this design and turn it to a circle logo with a transparent background? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is identify what I want the circle to be of. Making this a perfect circle is something that you can bring a circle in here or find the dimensions of it, but for demonstration's sake, I just want to outline it with a circle ellipse here. I'm going to go to the Select menu and I'm choosing Inverse, which is opposite, which is everything outside of the circle. And then I'm going to take that magic eraser and boop, it's out of there. Command D, I'm on a Mac, Control D, I think if you're on a PC, or deselect, and there we go. File, save a copy. Let's turn it into that PNG, change that file format. There we go. Give it a name. Where's it going, right? Got several in there. Hit save, and you are good to go. And it's that easy. That's how you create a transparent background, a circular logo, or just get rid of the background in any document you're using in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.